Don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So today I have another Happy Mail share. Now this is the last of the Happy Mails that we received in the old house that we packed and didn't get round to opening until we'd moved to the new house. Now this one is from a lady in France called Annie Paget Breton. And she sent this in October last year. So she's actually written the word boo on the envelope. So I'm presuming, or I'm thinking there might be some Halloween stuff in there, which is great because I can put that to one side for next year, or for this year, if that's the case. So yeah, so this was sent in October. Now Annie has sent Happy Mail to me before, and in the past it has just been for me. There's been nothing in there for Ian, as opposed to when Bet sends Happy Mail. There's usually bits in there for both of us. So this is why I'm recording this one on my own. So I'm going to turn to my overhead camera and show you what Annie has sent. Okay, so this is the parcel that Annie sent. I've covered up her and my old address. So I'll just, it's also written on the back in rather large letters. So let me just see if I can open this. Now then, I have a craft knife somewhere. There it is. And I can just very, very gently slide that along the top. That should be enough to open the envelope. It's opened the paper part, but still kept the bubble not cooked into that. Yeah, so when we received these, because we didn't really know when we were going to be moving, we thought it best just to put them to one side for when we moved into, whoops, the new house. So now, ooh, sweeties in there. Just make sure, oh, everything's out. No, there's still more sweeties. I think that is everything from the parcel. Okay, so put that to one side. We can see what we've got. So we've got some gummy eyeballs. Now I don't think these ever go out of date, so they should be fine for next year. Ooh, they're like fish eyes. Oh. Creepy eyeballs, but they are sweeties, candies. So what else have we got? There is a clip with lots of little tassels on. Oh, they're lovely. They are really nice. Now I can think that they would look really, really nice being added to some of the journals that I create. Beautiful colours. Look at that, it's like a burnt orange. That beautiful, beautiful, like turquoise, tealy colour. Gorgeous. And there's two of each colour. Excellent. Pop those there for now. So little Euro note notepad. That's cute. I like those. I've got some napkins that are banknotes as well, so they're like tissues, so you can blow your nose on a £10 note. It's funny. Like those a lot. So what else we got here? We've got some beautiful stick pins, but also some gorgeous lace. Again, these will be nice for edging, making maybe placeholders in journals, maybe some trim. Some lovely little pins there, look, as well. There was a time when I used to do a lot of card making that I used to go through these kind of pins a lot. Right, just move those to one side. I'll do everything from the left to the right once I've seen it. Oh, and there's some little like organza butterflies, look. You can barely see them in the light. There you go. I'll be able to see them better there. They're very delicate. Very, very delicate. Quite fly away. So what's this? Yeah, I wish you a beautiful Halloween. Excellent. Oh, the little note inside. Let me just have a quick read. Oh, there's nothing in there that's personal. So it says, this little note to say, hello, I hope you are fine. Love your style, kindness, humour, art, and of course your family. Oh, bless. You share all with simplicity and so delicately. Don't know about that. Hope you appreciate this happy mail. Have a nice day, Annie. Annie, yes, I do appreciate this happy mail. Very, very much so. I'm also going to put that to one side and keep that until October, and then I'm going to put that up when it gets to nearer Halloween, so it won't just get pushed to one side. I will definitely keep it. And what's it? Oh, huge googly eyes, glow in the dark, huge googly eyes. Actually, they'd look quite good on the car, wouldn't they? Now there's an idea. Save those for Halloween later on. Actually add them to the front of the car or to the back of the car. That would be really funny. Excellent stuff. Okay, so what else have we got here? Some napkins. This string's rather silky. That feels lovely. Beautiful colour as well. That's like a mint greeny colour. Look at that. It's almost, well, you can see the shine on it. It's almost like a sateen. Feels lovely. Very, very smooth and soft. Okay, so let's have a look at these napkins. So she's quite a few of those. So lovely. They'd be nice to stick down and then colour in. Like those. Nice autumny colours. Yes, we like those. Beautiful. Nice pocket watches, and of course, because these are napkins, you'll get more than one. So 4 uses out of each one. Excellent. And some more with botanics and foliage. Are they different? Or this? Oh no, there's 2 different ones there. Look. Oh, it's the same pattern, just different colourways. They're pretty. Nice kind of watercoloury style flowers on there. They'd make nice backgrounds as well. Excellent. I'm down on my napkins. Since I did a big cull and did some happy mail sending of my own, they're nice doilies. Look at that big square, well, rectangular sized doilies. Now they would look nice added into a signature, into a journal. And how wide that is. I've got a sheet of notepad here. So would that be about the same size as an A4? Bigger. So it would actually stick out further. Now there's an interesting idea, Annie. I might be able to use these as inserts in my journals. Very, very interesting idea. It's got my brain thinking now. Okay, so what we've got here. Let's just turn this round. It's a home sweet home. Some gingerbread men. So more Christmassy than anything. It's beautiful vintage paper. Valentine's. Getting stuff for all seasons and for all bits and pieces here, which is cool. So zebra print. It's a nice wood print log. That would make a nice background. Tinted. Liking that a lot. And then we have some more vintage Valentine. That would make some nice ephemera. Just cut the little bits out and then use them as tuck spots and that kind of thing. Like that, like it a lot. And then, like these little toys. Look at that robot. Love that robot. I did an art journal page featuring a robot. Actually, I've done a couple featuring robots like that. I did one last year, and I think the phrase on the art journal page was the future was yesterday. But that's kind of like the second vintage style robot that I've ever done. I did one a couple of years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, as part of an art journal page as well. I like those little light bulbs. They're cool. Like those bright lights, it's called. Oh, a lovely kind of icon. I must have mentioned a while ago that I love like the religious icons. I love the imagery of the religious icons. So Annie sent me one. That's rather lovely. Like that. And then we've got some little postcards. The earth without art is just like that one. Art makes everything awesome, and I was created to create. Yes, love those a lot. They'd look nice as a set, wouldn't they? Framed in a wall, on the wall. Like it. So what else we got here? So these are quite thick. I don't think these are from magazines. I'm not sure where these have come from, but they are beautiful. Look at the colours in that. The oranges and the yellows and that blue, just as an accent colour. It's absolutely beautiful. That would make a really nice combination for a mission inspiration. The 3 colours, so like a deep burnt orange, a nice yellow, and then a blue. Now that would be nice maybe for August or September. I'm going to park that idea for now. And then finally another beautiful mural, or illustration of a mural on a wall. So this is obviously in a church somewhere or in a chapel somewhere. Look at that, love it. Absolutely love that. Make absolute gorgeous backgrounds to pick out, maybe leave certain sections visible, and then you can add in your own detail in there. Absolutely brilliant stuff in there, Annie. Lots of things, lots of ideas sparked in my head, and there's lots of things that I can use for art journal pages and also for my journals too. So that's absolutely cool. And of course, now starting a new collection of napkins. So lots and lots of beautiful things, and some truly gruesome bits. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me open that Happy Mail from Annie. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, because it really does help get the word out there about my videos to people who may yet have not found me. So please remember to give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel already, you can do so by clicking the button at the end of this video. So that's all from me for now. I will see you all again very, very soon. Actually quite squishy as well. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.